Hello there, and welcome back to Chris All Motorcycles in Doncaster. Before we continue, don't forget hit that like button and subscribe. So, what have we got for you today? Something a little bit old. This is the 1959 Velocette Valiant. This is a little 192cc bike, and it's really nice. It's a bit quirky, a bit different. I think it's had a restoration in the early 90s. I've got quite a few invoices and stuff like that for work carried out back then. But yeah, just a really nice little bike this. Just love all the engine cover, you know, it just looks really nice in there. Starts to run sweet as a nut, although I'm saying that, watch me go to start it now and it won't start. But no, a nice little bike. Like I said, I've got, I do have some form of owner's manual with the bike. I've got lots of old invoices dating back, like I said, to the early 90s for parts, etc. Bit of a rarity. I haven't seen too many of these over however many years, but yeah, a bit of a rarity, this bike. But it does look nice. Yeah, I like the styling. I do like the styling. Very British. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the camera down over here on the little tripod, and let's see if we can't get this set up so that I'll try and start the bike for you. Like I say, whenever I do these, it never goes to plan, does it? So let's have a go. Bit of throttle, got the taps open. Oh. And I'll turn that off. Just remember to do the taps. We kind of get used to doing taps in this building with all the classics we've got. So yeah, alright. First kick I slipped with my foot because there's not a lot of space with my big size 10s. But it effectively went first kick, which is lovely. Real nice little bike that. So that's the 1959 Velocette Valiant. It is down as historic on the V5. So obviously no tax or test required to ride this beautiful girl. In stock today. If you've got any questions, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you'd like to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. Just always give us a call before you set off to look at something specific, just in case the bike is sold prior to you arriving. We can do delivery on this vehicle as well. Again, just give me a call for a quote. We can do international as well if you're outside of the UK. So yes, that is the 1959 Velocette Valiant 192cc. Lovely little bike, in stock today. Yeah. Before you sign off, folks, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Lots more of bikes like this arriving on a daily basis. The sun is shining, the skies are blue. Have a good day. Cheers.